Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the update. As we know, 2025 is going to be the year, so start getting stacking up your paper to buy all these pairs because they're coming out with some fire stuff. I'm telling you, right now we're looking at this photo. Now they're dropping two different silhouettes, and these are called Rare Air. So we have a Rare Air 3 and a Rare Air 4. So I think if you get one, you're probably gonna have to want to get the other one. So it's rumored that the Rare Air 4 is coming out first. This is a mock-up Z sneakerhead, and it is, in my opinion, looking like a fire shoe. It does kind of look like a Wata. It does have red and blue in it. One of the main things about this shoe is supposed to have a detachable patch on the tongue. So let me know if you're into that detachable tongues or not. You like that feature on the shoe. And then we're looking at the Jordan 3 Rare Air. Again, in the same type of colorway, predominantly black shoe throughout in gray. Feature on this shoe is supposed to have a reverse Nike Air branding on the back. I don't know if the reverse has been done on the back, but let me know if you're digging this feature and looking forward to coming out. I know for me, I am excited about both of these. Keep in mind that both of these are renditions, meaning that this may not be the official colorway that Jordan Brand comes out with. A mock drawing of both of these shoes from Z Sneakerheads. And only time will tell whether or not the real shoe is going to look like. We know that most likely Jordan Brand will mess these up somehow, but we have to wait and see. Moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these shoes came out from 14 to 20 July. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on July the 20th, we did have the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Wolf Gray. According to Nike.com, sizes 7 through 14 is still available. Price point for those who are going for 140. But like I mentioned, according to Nike.com, sizes 7 through 14 are still available.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe, we did have on July 20th, another shoe drop on the same day. This was a collaboration with Nigel Sylvester, aka the Bike Air Jordan 4 RM Grandma's Driveway. This did come at a price point of $150. This was his first release, and all sizes did sell out. All sizes did sell out. So a round of applause for that. So let us know down in the comments in your heads. Were you able to cop you a pair or not?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.